Hey, this journal is Journal 4 of Dr. Bailey's English class, level 2089. This journal had two readings, and first of the readings was Plessy versus Ferguson, and it talked about laws towards African Americans. The first and most known laws were the Jim Crow laws, and they were made to keep the races separate without any chaos or havoc. Also, there were the Black Codes, and they were created to keep former slaves in an economic position if they signed labor contracts. Also, the Civil Rights Act in 1866 was passed, making African Americans full U.S. citizens, and it gave them particular rights of citizenship. In the second reading from The Mismeasurement of Man, it talked about the demands and ranks of rulers, auxiliaries, and craftsmen. Um, it talked about how there were different social classes back then. If you were gold, you were a ruler, silver was an auxiliary, and brass, iron, and craftsman. Racial differences can be thought of. What happens with intelligent, or if you were intelligent, there's no room for racism in your life. That's my opinion. Connection I made is that race will always play a factor in life, and people will never get over racism because skin color, sex, race, they're always going to be there, and it'll always be talked about. And the three questions that I would like to ask the class is: will racism ever end? I don't think so. Why do people still think that they are better than another race? And does being a racist man or being a racist person mean that you are unintelligent? Which I think it does. And this is Journal 4.